I spent $90 on people, lost mail, and unclaimed packages. Let's open it. And for anybody that's wondering what I'm doing with my money since my daughter's not in all-star cheer, this is what I'm doing. Weird shit like this, but it's cool. I'm enjoying it. These are unclaimed packages. These is people mail. This is a package inside of a package. Bruh, what the hell? This is from Amazon, made in China. This is bee honey. Wait, Germato honey for the eyes, health and restore vision. I did say I was getting blind. So I'm getting multiple packages inside of one package. That's not bad. And what's this? It's the same thing. So 4 of them. Why would someone need all of these eye drops? Oh, this person's name is still on here. Hell is this? Designed for mobile phone, multifunctional ring remote control, compatible with video apps and beauty camera apps. The ring remote control, designed for, I don't understand. What is this? I want to use it. Can I use it? What is it? Nobody knows. Yellow package. Bitch, is this a wig? What the fuck is this? Oh, I thought, all I saw was a black. Why would I think it's a wig? Big ass pants. Hold on, wait. These are some huge, these are some big pants. Hold on, they like yoga, they like Pilates pants. Let me see what size. Extra large yoga pants, guys. I'm gonna get that to my mama. She'll appreciate that. I don't think she's an extra large, but a pink one. They're cute. At least their packaging is cute. I'm hoping I can get my money's worth. One of these packages got something that it's going to be worth over $90 of how much I spent. Cut and mix and Yerba Mate. It's a dual action formula, boosts metabolism, increase energy, promotes gut health. I'm definitely going to use this. Thank you. I like that. Bro, this is hair for real. What they going to do with these little wait, it might be. This is water wave, curly hair, twist hair. I don't know. I like the color. But I wonder, is it enough hair for a hairstyle? What the fuck? Hold up. Is this a watch? It's multiple in here. Wrapped up real nice. Oh, it's watches, men's watches. Wait, Babe about to have some new watches. This one's actually fire. The black one. Is it ticking? You gotta put your own batteries in these. Oh, you gotta take the thing out. Not bad. It's a neck pillow and it's so soft. It's a micro neck pillow. Yeah. You could never get too many of these, and y'all know I like to be on the plane. So yes, I love this, and it's gray, so it's not a bright, ugly color. We have 3 more. This looks like it's gonna be something for a baby. I'm so sick of myself. I don't even like surprises. Why am I doing this? It's a ceramic juicer. It's like matched. Are these like, wait, it's a juicer. I need to look this up. How much does this cost? Oh, it's a ceramic juicer and it's pink for lemons and limes and oranges. I'm gonna use this when I make my cocktail later because I think I'm gonna make me a lemon drop. I really wanna know how much this costs because I feel like, let me see, hold on. I just looked this up and it's $48. I like that. This looks like an Amazon package. Where's my box cutter? Bro, Vitamin. Raspberry lemonade flavor. It's a Max Calm relaxing drink mix. Magnesium, citri, and glyconic. So I think this is something that you're supposed to drink before you want to go to bed. From magnesium mix. Somebody's gonna benefit from it. All right, guys, we have one more package. It looks like a shoebox, bro. It's shoes, I think. Don't sound so disappointed. I just know there's no way there'll be shoes that I like or my size because what? Wait, hold the hell up. Hold up. Cinderella, period. Wait, are these cute? Wait, are they my size? I can't tell because this shit is in Chinese. Hold on, let me see if it's my size. Wait, not these are actually my fucking size. Hold the fuck up. Nope, they're not. They're too small. My heel is hanging out the back. Look. Oh my gosh. Hey girl, if you order these shoes and you see this video and you want them back, let me know because I'll send these to you because these are so cute. What are they? A 35? What's that? So cute. That was pretty fun. I was hoping for a blow dryer, a curling iron or something like that. An iPhone, an iPad, a car keys, a blender, cocktail maker. I was hoping for one of those, but it's okay. I'm not mad at the stuff that I got. It was exciting. And we can put it to use. If I can't put it to use per se, I could give it away and somebody else could put it to use. And I don't mind that either because why not? But thank y'all for watching. See you in the next fun video.